What's up, gentlemen? So do you ever feel like you just can't win? It's like, seriously, you do the best job you can. You're like, yeah, I'm gonna take care of myself. I'm gonna do X, Y, and Z. And then you freaking find out that all the things that they've told you to do are actually bad for you. And today we're gonna go over 7 healthy habits that are really, really, really bad. The first healthy habit that's not apparently super healthy for you are turkey sandwiches. Turkey freaking sandwiches? Not good for me. Exactly, right? That's what you're thinking. It's what I was thinking for years now, right? We think, hey, we're gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna eat a turkey sandwich, I'm gonna get some extra cucumber, a few peppers, sprinkle, a little bit of onion right now, and lettuce. Hold the cheese because, I'm eating healthy and I'm trying to do good on my diet, and everybody tells me that turkey sandwiches are healthy. Problem isn't the turkey, it's the lunch meat, actually. That whole, process of them taking turkey, doing what they do in order to create lunch meat. Lunch meat is power-packed with crazy amounts of salt. And nitrates? I can't even talk about nitrates. Deli meats, including turkey, are not super amazing for you. Now, they might not be crazy high in calories, but it's all the stuff that's actually in it. It's about the quality of the food that you're eating. Now, that being said, if you are looking for healthy lunch meat, they do offer lower sodium options, which I would definitely look for. Certain brands are better than others, but as a whole, I would say no. You think it's a coincidence that these meats can last for 6 years and not go bad? It's not. The good news, however, is that they're low in calorie, kind of like Diet Coke. Number 2. So here's the thing. For years now, I've been thinking to myself, I'm drinking diet soda, regular soda is bad, all that sugar, all that empty calorie action, right? So I'm like, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, are you kidding me? It's got nothing in it. This is amazing. Surprise, it's not amazing. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, dudes that drank 1 diet drink a day had a 40% increased risk of prostate cancer. And if that wasn't bad enough, they also found that drinking the diet sodas trick your body, right? Your body's like, I'm getting something sweet, even though it's technically not sugar, and releases insulin. Insulin levels spike, increasing the storage of fat and all sorts of not so amazing things. You're not done yet. Research also shows that when you consume diet drinks, this increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. Good thing I don't have to worry about that. I only drink water. Not so fast. All drinking water was not created equal. Some was created pretty bad. A few years ago, I started doing research about water, and it all started because of the bottles and the plastics, and depending on the plastic that the water's in, leaching out into the water, being all sorts of bad. And then I sort of went down this water rabbit hole, and I started researching drinking water from my tap. Now, I am in no way, shape, or form a conspiracy theorist or anything like that, but once I started to actually look into what is in our drinking water, it scared me so much that I actually did something a little crazy. Actually, not crazy. I think it's smart. So this crazy ass contraption right here with all the hoses and tanks and everything is the water filtration system on my house. This actually filters the entire house. Today, I am going to blow your mind because I'm going to change this filter and this filter every 3 months. These filters were last changed in November, so about 3 months ago. I changed them every 3 months, all right? This is what new clean filters look like. So now, let's change them. And this is what the filter looks like after 3 months, all right? Remember, it's supposed to be white. And this is the second filter. 3 months. 2, 9, 20, so I know then in 3 months, I've got to do it again. Now, the downside to the system, there are a few of them. Number 1 is they're expensive. This whole system cost me about $1,500. And then to replace the filters every 3 months, it's another $60. The other thing is that in about 5 years, I'm going to have to replace the entire system because these filters will go bad. The other downside to this system is that you need a plumber. And so with plumber fees and everything, it was an additional $200 to actually install it because you can't do it yourself. The good news for me is that I have peace of mind that I'm actually drinking water that's healthy. Critical that you start thinking and being more diligent about drinking healthier water. Now, if you don't have the money or you don't have the ability to put some crazy nut system like I have in your house, there is something easy that any single one of you can do. You can install this. This is the Kinetic Reactor. They are today's video sponsor, and this is a game changer. This is the Kinetic Reactor. It is patented water treatment technology. The Kinetic Kinetic Reactor removes bacteria, it neutralizes heavy metal through oxidation. It also removes water treatment chemicals like chlorine. Guys, this is a game changer. Like I said, it's a patented water treatment technology that you can use at home. So I know that the Kinetic Reactor isn't like the sexiest thing I've ever promoted, but in my opinion, guys, it is one of the most important, if not the most important thing that I would highly recommend you guys go check out. They are super affordable. I would recommend getting a 3-pack. You don't need one of these on every faucet. Just install the Kinetic Reactor on the faucet that you're gonna be getting drinking water from. Now, for me, I installed one at this office. I went to Pete and Pedro Warehouse. I installed one. Guys, I cannot tell you how important this little invention is. Guys, hit that link down below and go treat yourself and your body to a Kinetic Reactor. These things are incredible for your office, for vacation homes, for RVs. Like, you can install this pretty much anywhere and ensure that you're getting healthier drinking water. Guys, that discount link down below is going to give you a code to grab it at a better deal. The other really cool thing about the Kinetic Reactor, you don't need to replace it every 3 months or 6 months, once a year. But for the price, guys, it is such a no-brainer. It is ridiculous. Guys, hit that link, grab one, grab 3, and get healthier water tomorrow. The fourth healthy habit that's actually bad for you is working out too much. When you first start working out, right, it's like, yes, this is awesome, I'm going, and then you start to see results. Are you kidding me? Then it's like next level, like intensity, right? Well, the problem is that, at least it was for me, I had a difficult time like shutting it down and actually taking time off. And what I found is that I started to get more tired, my injuries were going up, and I just wasn't seeing the results that I should have. I was overtraining, I wasn't allowing my body time to heal and recover, and as a result, my cortisol levels were going sky high. Cortisol, as you know, is the stress hormone. It's horrible, it's bad for us, and when cortisol levels are up, all hell and havoc break loose on your body. Gentlemen, you gotta chill out. You gotta give your body time to rest. The fifth healthy thing, washing your face. So one big mistake that a lot of guys make is they think that if they have oily skin or they suffer from breakouts and blemishes, that they need to wash their face more. Instead of just twice a day, they're washing like in the afternoon, in the evening, twice a day on Saturday after working out. The problem is that you can actually wash your face too much, and by washing your face more than you need, it's actually going to increase the amount of oil that your body produces. And so what I'd recommend is twice a day, morning and night. You also need to be making sure that you're using a high quality face wash. If you're using the same bar of soap you use for your body on your face, this is going to dry your skin out. The other thing you need to watch for is make sure that the face wash is not foaming up a lot. The more it foams, the more sulfates or salts that wash actually has in it. And this is going to result in your face actually becoming more dry as well. Speaking of cleansing, the sixth healthy habit that's actually bad for you is detoxes and cleansers. There are a lot of colon cleansers and detoxes out there that claim to have like benefits and help you like get everything moving. And yes, they will, but they're actually pretty dangerous for you. So here's how it works. You eat something, it goes down, it digests, and it goes into your intestines. Small and then big and then boom. Eventually, you're gonna poop it out. Why am I telling you this? Because there are people out there that believe that certain foods like hang out and sit in your intestines and decay. Gentlemen, it is 100% bullshit. It goes in, it comes out. Eat a diet that is high in fiber, the green, good stuff, leafy vegetables, complex carbohydrates with fiber, gentlemen, which actually brings us to number 7. And that 7, which is any crazy fad diet. Diets have become like the new religion, right? You're vegan, you're vegetarian, you're paleo, you're keto, you're carnivore, whatever. In my opinion, balance is the key to everything, right? Anything in extreme is not good. There's nothing wrong with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates aren't bad for you, and don't tell like keto people, but they're actually good and needed for things like your brain function. Moderation is the key to everything, right? Except like meth. Meth you should never touch. Gentlemen, that's... How do we go from water purification to meth? Don't do drugs. That's what I was kind of trying to say. Gentlemen, what you should do, however, is drop me one of those to be like, yo, Alpha, you're ridiculous, but I appreciate the tips.